All right. Good evening. This is Luke Thomas Holmquist here at the Earthquake Forecast Center, quakeprediction.com. It is 6:58 in the evening on Saturday, June 10th, 2023, 6:58 p.m. on Saturday, June 10th, 2023. And we have a situation over in California. First, let's get to Japan's forecast. You can see we had a spike in risk here in the morning of June 11th. And we were calling for about a 5.0 earthquake. And what happened was a 4.6 earthquake hit on that peak. And you can see the warning area was right here, and the quake hit right in, let's see again, right about in here, very close to the 95% risk area there. So this forecast model is working really well. Coming up on the 13th, you see there's another really strong peak there, about a 5.5 you can be expected to see in North Japan, right there near Hokkaido in the northern part of Japan. About a 5.5 is likely up there. And that is on, you can see the graph here, about June 13th. In California, we've got a situation here northwest of Los Angeles right now, between now and June 11th. But the more significant situation is on the evening of June 11th. And you can see that the graph here, strong spike in risk on June 11th at around 9 p.m. on June 11th. Coming up tomorrow, which is Sunday, I believe. Let's see. Sunday, June 11th at about 9 p.m. There's a strong spike in risk. And magnitude, of course, is difficult to predict, but looking for about a 4.5 to 5.5 in this area right there, which happens to be in the area around Coalinga Parkfield area, northwest of LA and southeast of San Francisco Bay, close to Bakersfield as well. There's a high risk that extends down into southeast California as well, Big Bear City, out that way. And the highest risk is here northwest of Los Angeles, where a 4.5 to 5.5 is likely late on June 11th. And then you can see with the graph here, the risk goes up even higher. Well, not even higher yet, but the 14th, we'll see where that ends up on the 14th or 15th, another significant earthquake. But for now, look for a 4.5 to 5.5 late on the 11th. Here, northwest of Los Angeles, near Coalinga Parkfield, Bakersfield area, southeast of San Francisco, northwest of Los Angeles. And this forecast model has been working really well. As you can see, this quake that just hit in Japan was right on target during the morning of the 11th, as it says right here, and also in the right spot right there. So thanks again for following us here at quakeprediction.com. About 263,000 followers, more than 250,000 followers now. 18 years of research here at quakeprediction.com. Thanks for following us. Have a great day, and watch out for that earthquake in Hokkaido on the 13th and the 11th in the evening in the northwest of Los Angeles. Thanks so much.